you've said of the subsequent process that you got caught up in, if I had to choose between reliving the rape or the grand jury testimony, which you later had to give, I would choose the rape.
Well, right, the rape was 10 minutes. The grand jury testimony was all day and involved my mother, my sister, my boyfriend, my whole family. So it was, and that was just one day of weeks of what I had to go through.
4 decades after he fled the country as a fugitive, Roman Polanski's attorneys say they're pushing for the director to be sentenced in absentia after a recently unsealed court transcript reveals new details about a 45-year-old rape case. It was nearly 10 years after the murder of his wife, Sharon Tate, and their unborn child by the Manson family that the Rosemary's Baby director found himself in the news once again. A then 13-year-old girl claimed Polanski sexually assaulted her while the pair were at Jack Nicholson's home. She said Polanski gave her a sedative and then forced her to have sex. The girl later refused to testify in court, and Polanski pleaded guilty to unlawful sex with a minor. In exchange, charges of drug, rape, and sodomy would be dropped. Polanski was then ordered 90 days of evaluation at the California Institution for Men. Now, newly unsealed documents show a California judge indicated he would go back on a promise not to jail Polanski. The documents, that feature testimony from a prosecutor made in 2010, explain that the judge planned to break his promise to free Polanski. This led to the director fleeing the country in 1978 and becoming a fugitive. Polanski's attorneys say this testimony points to misconduct and request a new judge on the case in an area outside of Los Angeles County. The director's defense also argue that under COVID-19 protocol, Polanski should be able to appear via Zoom from France instead of in person in the United States. The district attorney's office issued a statement saying it has not changed its position and that Polanski should turn himself in. Since making the allegations in 1977, Polanski's accuser has called for an end to the case, saying she does not view herself as a victim. What's next for Roman Polanski? Will he return to the United States and face possible prison time? We'll keep you updated on all new developments in the case.